Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick intro video before I show you this next video. I've ridden through a tornado warnings last night. Never touched down, but as you can see here, 8:20 p.m. the radar shows severe thunderstorms, blah 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 blah. Damaging winds, large hail, torrential downpours. There's also risk of a tornado. So yeah, I rode through some hail and lots of rain. In the video I call it a hurricane, but I'm shaking with adrenaline and I'm not thinking straight. But yeah, well, here's the video. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I just got back from riding in a hurricane. As you can see, there's big tornado storms going on. I'm gonna get it wet. I don't got the back on it. But yeah, I can get one on tape. They were going off right beside me. It was insane. It was the craziest bike ride I've ever been on. I'm just soaked. I just wanted to document this because this is what real riders do. They don't put it in the back of a truck, they ride through it. That's right. Oh, come on, give me a good one. Oh, damn it. Whatever. Yeah.
Do you see it better with this light off?
No. Because I was out earlier trying to get it. Dave, like, I saw two cross the sky when I was riding, and it came down, it caught, they met together, and then it hit like a tree or a pole, and I saw sparks.
How close were you then?
Like me to the tree line, like there.
Scary.
Yeah, no kidding. Whoa!
It's crazy how you never think of clouds being out at night.
Oh, that hit. You see that? I'm gonna have to cut the audio because I sound like an idiot. Whoa! Whoa, my goodness. Oh, please tell me I record. Yes. All right.